Here is how to remove an image background. So if you want to remove an image background, but you don't want to pay for services like Canva or other stuff, here's how to do it. So go ahead and search up remove.bg. And then here, you'll see a site where you can upload images to remove the backgrounds. As you can see, I've already uploaded this image, it removed the background, and then you can download it as a low quality file. Another site you can use is called Piscart. So search up PICSART.com, search it up, and then you're on the page. So to get to the background area, you can press create and choose one of the templates, or if you search up Piscart background remover, you can see the free background remover. Click on that, and then same thing here. You can upload the file or drag it, and then you can download it at a low quality. So this is how to remove backgrounds for free.